Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the removal and replacement of double O-ring seals in a Revolution Series pump using our seal kit with genuine Viking Pump spare parts. Before you begin, please consult the appropriate technical service manual for safety information and to ensure all maintenance steps are completed. A copy of the latest revision can be found on our website at vikingpump.com. The following tools are required: the provided seal removal tool, an O-ring pick, and a compatible assembly lubricant. Each Viking Pump seal service kit and elastomer kit contain all required spare parts and special tools. To begin, remove the O-ring seal housings from the pump body using the seal removal tool. Remove and discard the O-rings from each static seal housing. 2 O-rings are located in the ID of each housing, and 2 others are located on the OD of each housing. Next, remove the rotary O-ring insert from the back of each rotor. Remove and discard the O-rings. You are now ready to install new double O-ring seals. Lightly lubricate the seal insert O-rings with a compatible lubricant and fit them onto each rotary O-ring seal insert. Now, press the rotary seal inserts into the back of each rotor. Be sure to fit the lugs into the anti-rotation holes in the rotor. Lightly lubricate the O-ring seal housing OD O-rings and install them into the grooves of each housing. Next, lightly lubricate the inner O-rings and install them into the ID grooves of each housing. Finally, insert the seal housings into the rotor case, ensuring that the radius cutout aligns with the anti-rotation washer in each bore. Ensure that the housings are fully seated to allow for proper reassembly. Your Viking Pump Revolution Series pump has new double O-ring seals and is ready for reassembly. For more information, please visit our website at vikingpump.com.